Guys, I found a ring light. Look at my ring light. Ta-da!
Vlog po natin ngayon. Punta po tayo sa mga sa Green Hills.
Yeah. We're booking a Grab because we're gonna go to Green Hills to do look for some street foods.
Ayan na siya, yung Grab. Hindi na ako magkakari.
Cheers.
Hotdog. Hotdog yummy to.
Nothing special.
Nothing special.
It's just a smoke.
And then nobody else woke up, so I was like, oh, they're not awake.
Sama ako sa vlog.
Nakasubscribe ka ba, kuya?
Oo.
Hindi nga.
Oo, lahat kami.
Kami.
Oo, 85 kami pamilya.
She's so happy.
Yan na sabi ko dito sa bakit si Joy pagka may ano nga pinakakain ng marami.
Lumagpas na sila.
Only 4,740 po.
Sarap na. We have a lot of food. We have pancit. This is menudo. Shanghai chicken curry. What is this? Oh, it's Pickle Express. And of course, the salmon. Yum! I love hot dog. This is pork intestine. Hi, Tay! This is my favorite fish ever. Tilapia. Looks so good. Tilapia and bangus.
Hi po!
Squid and... Kapag kapalit Nay? Ha?
Ay, hindi na akong bisita ko, kaya bahala na kayo sa inyo. Ako. Hey!
Birthday mo ba, di? Bebe! Sabi ko na
Ganyan, may kinaon eh.
We're going to see some ostrich. Sabi nila. Uy! Shit. Mamaya bigla ka nilang pinguti. So cool. Ito yung black. Saan? Hala, nilalangaw pala sila. It's so nice and peaceful out here. She's so sweet. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. You're having Filipino breakfast. So we have tuyo. This is footlong. This is a
Wait a minute.
Filipino sausage, and then corned beef and omelette. We also I also have pancit canton, I think. And then we also bought tahong or mussels, and we're gonna make mussel soup. It's really good with lemongrass. Super fresh. This is where we're grilling the fish. Charcoal. Wow! Ang galing pala magluto ni Kyle.
Na ako ni Idol. Napasama na.
Sunog. Sunog.
Kiskising mo yan. Wala yung pangalan ko.
So this is for the mussel soup.
Ayun na namin. Baka matrabaho.
This is the fish.
Okay na yun. Okay na yun. Nairaos. Okay na yan. Tapos nairaos.